welcome back to my channel. So if you would have seen one of my last few videos, I have given a tour of my entire place here in Toronto, a tour of my condo here. So the next obvious step is setting up the entire place. And for the furniture bit, we are mostly ordering from IKEA everything. And for the other tidbits around the house and stuff for the kitchen, so we are going to this place called Kitchen Stuff Plus, and we'll be visiting Dollarama as well. So I'll be giving you a tour of both these places. So we have finally reached Dollarama. It's a dollar store where you won't find anything that is, I think, more than $4. This is where you will find stuff for your kitchen like ladles, forks, spoons, storage boxes, all the basic stuff that you require. We just bought a few things to see how the quality actually is. Of course, this is a dollar store and you can't expect it to be of a really good quality, but I would say they were not bad either. This is something I think you can use, but you can't expect it to last for years together. You were getting almost everything that you require for cleaning. You can keep your Scotch-Brite in this and attach it to the sink. All the cleaners and tissue rolls. You were even getting things that you require for gardening. A few shelves and hooks to attach anywhere in your house. Hangers for your closet. You were getting some really nice candles there and we were really confused as to which one we should take. Bulbs and lamps. We ended up buying this lava multicolored lamp. These are again some nice jars for storage. We usually store masalas in these. All our turmeric, red chili powder, all of that. And tiffin boxes or even again storage boxes, some really nice mugs. They had a huge collection of glasses, but then again there were a few glasses, the quality of which was not that great. So we spent some time here in this area deciding which ones to buy. Some oven mitts, kitchen cloths, table mats. They had some really nice table mats. Some pretty looking storage boxes and other things to decorate your house with. Caps, hats, gloves, all the things that you require on a day-to-day basis during winter. Some more cleaning products and hand washing liquid and other products that you require in the bathroom. Some pretty looking folders for your documents. A few snacks also you were getting, chocolates. You were also getting breads and buns, a few spices, a good collection of diaries. I picked one too. Some paper plates, paper cups, cards. Then they had these nice cloth masks. After that we headed to Kitchen Stuff Plus and here we got a lot of things, a few dishes, ladles and bedspread. They had some really nice crockery and serving dishes here. The color of this bedspread was completely Rohit's choice. It's one of his favorite colors and I like it too. You could attach these things in your bathroom for your soap and other bottles. Some pots and pans. We again spent a lot of time here because it was so hard to decide which one to buy. And both of us were liking different things, so we really couldn't decide. But after a long discussion, we decided on a few. I really like their storage jars and boxes and I definitely plan to buy some of them to organize my kitchen. They had this really nice fountain just for $16 to decorate your house. I had to record him because he was so cute. Bottle openers, stoppers, ice scooper, all of that. The store was really huge with a good collection of everything. The price was not too expensive, but it wasn't too reasonable either. I really liked these colorful dishes that they had, and they were on a discount too. This area was just too huge. They had a good collection of ladles with different colors and different textures, and they had this cute area with some really cute mugs and storage jars. You can store your onions, tomatoes, limes, bananas in those. And these are can openers, lemon squeezers. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and definitely check out Kitchen Stuff Plus and Dollarama, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.